So, welcome guys, welcome back to Journal of a Trader. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And um, we're growing with 9 subscribers now. Thank you guys for following or subscribing to the channel. Anyways, today I want to review the signals that I've gave out recently. And you guys can see we have been growing our followers as well here on Trading View as well. So, um, where do we begin? Where do we begin? Where do we begin? Um, I think if we haven't reviewed this yesterday, where we talked about the QML here, right? And I think, yeah, no, we did review this in the previous videos. Let me go to the ones of today, right? Yeah. So here was a signal on USD GPY. See how it went. It's still in profits, right? So how did we actually come up with this conclusion on USD GPY? I hope this screen is enough for you guys. So we have seen that you guys can see these vertical lines, right? This is just period separator separating today with yesterday with the other day. So this line from here to the right is today, from here till there is yesterday, and from here 2 years 2 days ago, which was Wednesday, I think. Yep, it was Wednesday or Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Okay. So now we use the concept of Tokyo session stacking, where we see where the Tokyo session going up here, then Tokyo session open below its previous Tokyo session, and then we are gonna drop at least two or one more Tokyo before we can at least look to go up, right? But then high possibility is that it can always go with a trend, and we are predominantly under the 50 moving average, so it was a very easy trade for me just to go with the trend. You can see that we didn't have so much drawdown. We were massive profits here, then we came in a bit of like a 50% drawdown of this risk to reward, and then we came to at least 50% of our reward. You see guys, so initially when I give these setups, you should at least get 50% of your TP, because the market usually just reverses from my end target. So we can go to GBP USD, and this was not a good one because you guys can see this Tokyo session was just in the middle. It was kind of indecisive for me, but I've seen that we were going down because we had some liquidity pulls, some down here, so the mistakes corrected, so I went to go sell it again, and just wait so you guys can see later on. And we have this gold sell that we had, and it just took us out and left us for days, guys. Whoa, gold just went down. It went down like crazy. And here we are. I think we gave an analysis of gold that we are gonna go up and then down when we said it last week. So yeah, so now you guys can see that we have liquidity. So this was on a H4 that I drew this. So this is this highs of a H4, this lows of a H4. Liquidity, those liquidity here taken out, and then we had to run up on the other side. So it was a very obvious trade for me. Okay, this was for a buy, right? The reason why I sold this, I almost confused. The reason why I sold this was we had a high setup by this candle, and then we had this candle that closed within the previous bar, or within the previous bar range on the 30-minute time frame, and we saw that there was liquidity here, right? and then we went on the lower time frame on the 5 minute to look for patterns or just like fair value gaps or just bearish market structure moves, and we took a entry there, we sold, and if we could have held it we would have had more money in the bank. But yes, so I traded an account today which didn't do good, primarily on Nasdaq, and you guys can see how Nasdaq fell there. I traded the first account which I kind of grew a bit. I will show you now on my live feed. Okay, I will show you now on my live feed. I deposited $4 today. That was just on my wallet, and I just traded it a bit. And yeah, on this social trading account Drago, you guys can see we changed the picture guys here, and you guys can see that the last trades happened today on the 4th, right? Today is the 4th. So yeah, that's what happened today. Our account grew a bit, and this percentage change fluctuate when you deposit, and yeah, whenever you deposit and whenever you trade. So we still did good. So let's go to GB Chef JPY. I was testing a concept on liquidity on this one, and I don't, and it would have really worked out, because look at this area. This area is of 50% that I drew, that it needs to hit this target at least. But I know it's gonna come here. It's just a matter of time. It's just that I'm trying to see what precisely this market cause for Chef JPY to move from here and not here. Actually, it's gonna be an interesting case study for me. Well, I think it came to the high of the other day, so yeah, I think they were looking for more liquidity, maybe to stop out other players or people in the market. And here's GBP JPY. You guys can see this horizontal. This is 50% of this range. So this is the range of the other day. So this is today, yesterday, and then the other day, which was Wednesday. The range of yesterday's high, low, and then Thursday came to manipulate, and then we closed early Friday into the range of Wednesday. Now we need to take out this liquidity right here. So I didn't really see. Yes, so I didn't really see how the market actually did, but it did work. This did really work. So wow, this is a very good concept, guys, for you guys to know as well. And I was kinda, yeah, this is a moment I had a sentiment, right? This is all wrong, and I need to go study this. This I remember this when I messed up my account on Nasdaq, and it went so far here. So I really need to sit down and see why it didn't go up as planned, right? And yeah, on my next video, guys, I will show you concepts and the mistakes I made so far on my trading, and hopefully you guys will get more insights. I'll be posting more videos. Do stay subscribed, and also comment, like the video, share. It's gonna be a very good journey. And also, if you guys want to join my thread, you guys can join my thread right here on Forex Factory. They are very There's a lot of forums that you guys can join, and just for you guys to actually let me just quickly plug this in, just for you guys to be in a community as well. This is my community for traders, so you guys can just come up here and look up at things and whatnot. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.